Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install DirectX on your Windows PC. So the first thing that you want to do if you want to install DirectX, I recommend that you check first to see if you have the DirectX 12 on your computer or not. And to do that, you can easily go ahead and right click on the Windows icon and you can find run right here. Click and run, and within this section here you want to type in dxdiag, and once you type in dxdiag, hit enter and you will see a window appear which is going to show you what you're currently running. So as you can see right here, I have the DirectX 12 on my PC, and so I don't have to install that. But if for you don't have that, then all you have to do is open up your browser and simple type in DirectX. And you can even type DirectX 12. You can type DirectX download, whichever it is, just type it in. Now you will see from the search result here directly from Microsoft. You can do that. You can choose that option. I recommend that option as well. DirectX and user runtime web installer. Click in that. And from here, you will see that it shows you that bring the world back with Bing wallpaper, blah, 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 DirectX in user runtime installer. You click and download from here. And of course, you can choose a language. Now, once this is done, you can go ahead and run this. You can click on it to run it. And the next thing you want to do is just accept that, click on next. And here you'll have the option that says install the Bing bar. Just simple click on this to uncheck this box here, click on next and install it. Once it is finished installing, as you can see, I don't need to do it because I already have it on my PC. But once you do this and go through the process of installing, you want to go ahead and just simply restart your PC. So again, you want to right click on the Windows icon, go to shutdown and sign out, then click on restart, and you'll restart your PC. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. That's how to download and install DirectX on your Windows 11 PC. And if you're using Windows 10, the process is pretty much the same. So you can do the same for Windows 10 as well. You can easily go ahead and go to run, and you can type in the dxdiag and you can check it. Now, after you do that, to ensure that it's literally working and you have the latest version, you want to do the same thing. Go ahead and type in the dxdiag and run, and you should see that it's currently now upgraded to DirectX 12. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.